attend.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be showing you a very interesting gadget that we have made from an Arduino board. This device really helps a lot in daily life. Like when we keep any devices plugged in, after some time we forget it to switch off. In that case, this device automatically switches off and helps in power saving, also prevent the overcharging of the batteries. This device is called as the timer switch box. Here you can plug any of your appliances or rechargeable devices and set your required amount of time. Up to that time, the power supply will be kept on, and after that it automatically switches off the supply. This is how it works. Before starting, if you are interested in learning Arduino programming, you can refer to our playlist tutorial link in the description box, in which we have explained the coding line to line. That can be very helpful for you to learn faster. So from now, I'll show you what are the components we use for making this. I am using Arduino Uno board, 16x2 LCD with an I2C interface, 5V relay module. This is rotary encoder module, the electrical socket, mobile charger with output of around 5V, one LED for indication, and some jumper wires. I will be mounting all these components on this box. You can also go with wooden or plastic box according to your requirements. For making the connections, I am not explaining that in the video. I have provided the clear-cut circuit diagram. The link is provided in the description. You can download and refer to that. Now the device is completely ready. This is the LCD where we can see all the information, encoder to increase or decrease the time, socket, here you can plug any of your appliances, and an LED just to indicate the presence of the power supply. This plug goes to the main power supply. Once it is powered on, it will ask for the time to set in minutes. Using this encoder, you can set the required time in minutes. If you require 1 hour, you can set it as 60. Now, just for example, I'll be setting it to 1 minute and connecting my smartphone for the socket. Now I'll be pressing this to start the timer. It started charging. At the same time, in the LCD you can also able to see the time what you have set. After completing the required time, both LED and the power supply stops. On the LCD you get a done message. After this, it will come to this page where you can set the time for next process. So this is all about the timer switch box. It has very vast applications. Mainly in case of mobile phones and laptops, you can prevent it from overnight charging. Also in case of appliances, mainly like water pump. Instead of forgetting to switch off, we can easily set the required time and this device will take care further. I hope this video was interesting and let us know what you felt about this device in the comment box below. For more such interesting videos, subscribe to our channel and connect with us on Instagram. Thank you for watching guys. We'll see you again in the next video.